Welcome back to another video, you all. Welcome back to the channel. So today what I want to talk about is a company that I'm endorsed with, Los Cabos Drumsticks. I want to talk about their duo stick and kind of what this is. This is a drumstick that I use quite often, at least with the artists and the gigs that I've been playing recently. I've been really enjoying playing with these duo sticks, and kind of what this is, there's a lot of drumstick makers, manufacturers that have a very similar thing, but what I found about Los Cabos Drumsticks is you have the same Los Cabos feel if you're a Los Cabos player or you love the Los Cabos feel, and you have a really nice tight felt in terms of some artists the felt is not as tight, and the sound that you're going to get from that is a little bit different. Also the weight is a little bit different, and I found that the Los Cabos, the duo stick, not just because I'm endorsed by them, but it actually altogether is a well-made stick in terms of the weight, the quality, how long these sticks will last, no matter what genre you're playing, even with rock or jazz or funk or whatever it is. So it's not like your typical red hickory, which you'll see me playing on, which is the core of the tree, but it also has this nice felt on the end of it, so that when I'm playing, especially on my cymbals, right? Let me show you something real quick. Right? So you can get a really nice like pounding swash or a swoosh, a trashy sound, or you can go a little bit faster and get a really nice, you know. And what I also really like about it is if you're playing your toms, right? Let me move some of my stuff here. You can see how your stick is going to give you a really nice, you know. But sometimes you want to turn this over and get a little bit warmer tone, right? And so it's going to give you a nice warmer, a fat tone. So these sticks right here, and it's literally with just a flip of a stick, you know what I mean? So, and if you're playing match grip a lot, bum bum bum, right? If you play match grip a lot, you can literally just switch over to, you know, and play and then go right back to match grip. So it's really nice to have the duo stick combination. And as your typical, I play a 3A a lot, so for me it's the same exact tip that I'm used to playing in terms of the crispiness that I get. What I noticed, I typically play on a red hickory, 3A red hickory from Los Cabos. So, and I love these sticks, right? These have been my go-to sticks for, well, since I've been playing on them, which is, you know, about 10 years now that I've been playing on Los Cabos sticks. And these are a little bit heavier, so these feel a little bit lighter. Sometimes when I'm playing, you know, I'm like, hey, I want to give myself a break, if you want to say it, right? And I don't need a heavy stick and I can play, you know, or it'll allow me to play faster because the song before, or the couple songs before, I've been playing on the red hickory stick, right? And it's a little bit heavier. So if it's a really heavy power song, sometimes I want to have that nice, thick, dense, heavy stick. And if there's another song that's lighter but maybe faster, and sometimes I'll pick up these right here, so it feels a little bit faster because of the weight of the stick in itself. So yeah, these duo sticks, if you haven't checked them out, you know, Los Cabos, check them out, duo sticks. Yeah, again, this is a company I'm endorsed with. I've been playing with them for about 10 years now, about a decade, and I really enjoy playing on this company and everything that they have to offer. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye now.